Calculating the tax rate is one of the examples for the VLOOKUP with the inexact search, and you might find also this useful when building some kind of intervals, for example for a histogram, but we'll have a look on one of the examples, which is find the nearest postcode, which means in practice there are a lot of postcodes in usage. Some of them are old, you sometimes cannot find them in the databases, and what you need to do is you need to create a VLOOKUP to find the nearest postcode, as we are looking just for a state, which is a very general and bigger area, usually on the map, containing of a lot of postcodes. So if you would start creating this formula already now, looking for the second column and keeping in mind the true, probably you will get a lot of errors. Why is that? Because I forgot about sorting the data. When I come back to this table and sort the data in the ascending order, then the VLOOKUP formula with 1 starts working. In this case, we can very precisely observe how this VLOOKUP formula works. If we have the first postcode in here, we see that the end result is even not the first cell found, but this is the last cell found that we can find in here. And if we have a VLOOKUP on the first postcode on the list, you can see that the formula is like going one step too far, is checking that we went too far, and is like coming back to the previous postcode. That is why we have in here also the same state.